you teach me something from the Qur'an today?
Of course, my dear. What would you like to learn?
Ayat Al-Kursi!
Then let's learn it together. Come, my dear. We'll sit somewhere quiet and learn.
Can I repeat every part after you?
Yes, that's exactly what we're going to do.
Yay!
Before we begin, remember, listen carefully.
And then I repeat after Mama.
Exactly.
I'm ready!
Okay, my dear. Today we are going to learn Ayat Al-Kursi together.
Really, Mama? Are you going to teach me the whole thing?
Yes, but we will learn it little by little so you can remember every part.
Okay.
That's my good girl. Let's start with the very beginning.
Allahu la ilaha illa huwa. Mama, I remember it.
MashaAllah, you remembered it very quickly.
Can I say it one more time?
Of course. Go ahead. Al-Hayyu Al-Qayyum.
Al-Hayyu Al-Qayyum.
Excellent. Now you know even more.
Mama, I remember both parts now.
MashaAllah. Let's see if you can put them together.
Okay, I'll try.
Listen to La ilaha illa first, then you repeat after me.
Allahu la ilaha illa huwa. Al-Hayyu Al-Qayyum. I want to learn the next part.
Now we have another part. This one is a little longer, so listen carefully.
Don't worry, Mama. I'm ready.
Good. I'll say it slowly first.
لا تخذه سنة ولا نوم.
Very good. Was that easy?
Let me try the last part again, Mama.
Go ahead. I'm listening.
لا تخذه سنة ولا نوم.
MashaAllah! You remembered it perfectly.
What's next?
Now listen carefully.
له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض.
Excellent!
Mama, I think I'm getting better at this.
You certainly are. Keep listening carefully.
What's the next part?
Listen to Mama.
من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه.
Very good. That was a long sentence.
I did it!
You're doing so well. Let's keep going.
Okay, Mama, I'm ready.
Listen carefully to this part.
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم.
Wonderful. Say it again with me.
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم. How much more?
You're close. وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض.
وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض.
Beautiful.
Remember it. I remember it.
Good. ولا يؤوده حفظهما.
ولا يعوده حفظهما.
Almost there. Last part. وهو العلي العظيم.
وهو العلي العظيم.
You did it.
Let's say it all. Red Ray!
الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تخضه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض.
الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض.
من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء.
وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. We did it! We did it!
Alhamdulillah.
Did you learn with us?
Did you learn with us? Practice every day.
See you next time!